Hello guys and welcome to my vertical video series. In this video I am going to share you two stock recommendation for you to trade on 25th of January 2023, which is the first monthly expiry of the new year 2023. Disclaimer, this is not a call or this is not just a recommendation. This is just my opinion based on the technical analysis. As the market is a supreme leader, this analysis may or may not work, so do not follow blindly and be cautious to trade any stocks tomorrow, because the upcoming week is of a budget week, as the financial budget is around the week, so it seems a volatility as well. So now let's move on to my computer screen. So first stock in my radar to trade on the monthly expiry of 2023 is ITC, Indian Tobacco Company. As you can see, this is a descending triangular pattern with a closing of almost around 338.95. If it's break the today's day low, which is 338, you can easily get the target up to 336 on a downward side. Trade only if you see a conviction above 340. You can see a easy target of 342 on an intraday basis. Now second one is a Concor. As you can see over here, wait a minute, you can see a breakaway gap over here, but after breakaway gap it seems a same pattern like an ITC, forming a descending triangular pattern. So the first target towards downward is 670 rupees and 671 if it's open below 678, which is today's low and today's close. Trade only if you feel a conviction of upside, which is 692 for the target of, let's say first target is 702, and for more safer target you can go for a 705.60. ITC and Concor is my two personal opinion you to do a well researched trade before going to enter into any kind of a trade, as market is a supreme leader as well as budget is round the week, so it seems to be a high volatility in those kind of stocks as well. And if you see a similar pattern in a similar sector or a similar kind of a pattern in a different stocks, you can definitely trade as well. Till then, see you tomorrow.